Now, for months, the Congress has gone hammer and tongs at the Election Commission and the Bharatiya Janata Party, pushing its vote chori charge from Bihar to now Sansad. And after Rahul Gandhi's hydrogen bomb failed to detonate in Bihar, the fakery has been called out by their own ally in Jammu and Kashmir. We're talking about National Conference MP Chaudhry Mohammad Ramzan, who has publicly rubbished the vote chori narrative, calling Jammu and Kashmir elections the fairest polls of 2024. A direct contradiction to the Congress party's narrative, the national campaign on vote chori. Listen in.
Joining me right now is the National Conference Member of Parliament, Mr. Mohammad Ramzan with us. सर, कल आप जिस तरीके से आपने सदन में मुद्दा उठाया, वोट चोरी का भी आपने जिक्र किया, क्या कुछ सर आप इस बात को लेकर कहना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि लगातार हम देख रहे हैं कि विपक्ष वोट चोरी एसआईआर का मुद्दा लगातार उठा रहा है। आज भी सदन में देखने को मिला है किस तरीके से प्रदर्शन हुआ है।
देखिए, वोट चोरी का मसला है, बिहार में है, दूसरी जगहों पर है, और खदशा ये है कि बंगाल में भी ऐसा करने जा रहे हैं ये लोग। लेकिन हमारा मुद्दा जम्मू कश्मीर का अलग है। वो ये है कि हमने वहाँ पर इलेक्शन किए, इलेक्शन वर फेयर, और एक सरकार वहाँ पर बन गई एक मैक्सिमम मैंडेट से, और फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इतना मैंडेट लोगों ने दिया है एक पार्टी को। इट इज नियरली, इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली two-third majority, but it's near to 2/3 majority. Out of 96, we got some 60 plus seats. But the powers rest with the LG. LG स्टेट सरकार को फंक्शन करने नहीं देते हैं. All the officers are under his control, whether they are these administrative officers or officers below them. They call the shots. The LG calls the shots. The state government has been left high and dry with no powers. They can't execute their powers. Even we can't make small transfers even in our state ground level. These officials. So our demand is Prime Minister has time and again said on the floor of the House, outside the House. Recently, when the Zojila Tunnel was inaugurated by him, he repeatedly said that we will restore this statehood to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And on the floor of the Home Minister also said it, the Prime Minister previously said it, but it has now been almost 13-14 months. Nothing is coming forward. Our demand is that the state should be restored, statehood should be restored, so that the local government, which has been brought by the people out of a vast majority, it should function as is functioning in other parts of the state. That's our demand.
Right. Sir, but do you believe that the manner in which all these protests are happening, it is not you are not being able to put forward your own demands which are related to Jammu and Kashmir, because statehood is a matter which is being raised by your own MPs many times before as well, but due to SIR, due to this repeated adjournment, you are not being able to raise all these issues.
Yeah, it has been almost now 2 days for this since we took over as this Rajya Sabha, when we were made Rajya Sabha members. It was only 2 days we raised this issue, statehood issue, yesterday also, and in coming days we will also continue to raise this issue. We will meet Honorable Prime Minister, all of us three. I have formally given an application today to Minister of this MOS, who is with the functioning with the Prime Minister. I have made an application on behalf of my two MPs. We will meet the Chief Minister, we will meet the Home Minister, and request them to fulfill their promise which they have made to the people of Jammu and Kashmir on the eve of when the elections were held. Even the Supreme Court has also told them that it should be restored as early as possible.
But sir, do you want to give any message to the opposition members as well? Because the only issue which is being taken up by the opposition parties is of SIR and vote chori.
SIR is a major issue to these people, to the states, especially where the elections were held recently, and it's now they are elections are being held in this West Bengal also. So it's a very it's a issue. It is an issue, but we are in contact with the national opposition. We have already talked to them yesterday. We'll continue to talk them, and once this thing settle, this SIR, then we will raise our issue and we request them to help us in this issue.
Do you believe that SIR and vote chori is not an issue for Jammu Kashmir at all?
Right now, it's not an issue with us because elections were held only very recently, 1 year before.
It was in a very fair manner. The election.
It was in a very fair way. The elections were held, and people's participation was very massive in those elections. So for us, right now, it's not an issue. Our issue is restoration of the statehood.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So that was.
So Mr. Ramzan says restoration of statehood is our issue. Elections were held in a fair manner. Let's go across to Niyamika, who spoke to Mr. Ramzan. He's clearing the air, or rather showing the mirror to the Congress party, its ally that ran an entire campaign on vote chori. Mr. Ramzan says, Niyamika, elections were held in a fair manner.
Well, yes, indeed. And I would also like to mention here that repeatedly it is being alleged by the Congress party's various leaders that vote chori is not restricted to one particular state. This entire matter is related to each and every state of this country, and that is the only reason why they are continuously saying that it is very much important to discuss this issue in the parliament as well. That is the reason why we have seen that during the protest of SIR, they have been continuously raising slogans on vote chori as well. But now it seems like a mirror has been shown by its own alliance partner as the National Conference member of parliament is openly claiming that there was no vote chori which was being done in Jammu and Kashmir, and the entire election was being conducted in a very fair and transparent manner. As he has said that it is the only reason why so many people have participated in these elections, as they had cast their votes, and even the National Conference has also got so many seats. So for that reason, he is saying that vote chori is not an issue for Jammu Kashmir at all. It can be an issue for the other state, but he has also, accepted the point that due to this continuous adjournment, due to this continuous protest by the opposition members on SIR, these people are not being able to raise their own demands, which is related to the statehood, restoration of statehood of Jammu and Kashmir. He has also stated that the member of parliament from Jammu Kashmir are also going to speak to the other opposition members so that they can also be able to raise the matters which are related to their own Jammu Kashmir. And for that reason, we have also seen that how Mr. Kiran Rijiju has also given this statement within the House yesterday only, where he said that there are other parties also who wants to raise the matters which are related to their own states, but that they are not being able to do so because of the continuous protest by the opposition members within the House.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. Let's also listen to what Mr. Ramzan said inside the House, inside the Parliament.
कहा कि इलेक्शन निष्पक्ष के बारे में उन्होंने बात की। मैं अपने स्टेट की बात करूंगा, मैं ज्यादा नहीं दूर जाऊंगा। 2024 अक्टूबर में वहां पर इलेक्शन हुए, मोस्ट फेयर इलेक्शन हो गए, और उस इलेक्शन के नतीजे में वहां पर एक सरकार वजूद में आई, हेडेड बाय नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस उमर अब्दुल्ला, और उसके साथ जो सहयोगी हैं वो कांग्रेस के लोग हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे और भी लोग हैं, और करीबन नियरली 2/3 मेजॉरिटी इस सरकार ने वहां पर मतलब मेंबरों की आई है।
All right, so you heard Mr. Ramzan, who inside the parliament said सबसे fair election हुए हैं. BJP has hit out at Congress party saying that another alliance partner has called out their fakery over vote chori narrative, while Congress countered saying that they have all the facts to prove it. Listen in.
Rahul Gandhi and his vote chori narrative has got a fact check by none other than his own alliance partner, NC, National Conference. National Conference MP got up in Rajya Sabha and slammed the opposition, particularly Congress, saying that how can you say elections were not free and fair? In Jammu Kashmir, elections were held and the NC Congress alliance won 2/3 majority. This is not the first time that an alliance partner has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claims. We have seen time and again that alliance partner after alliance partner has said that it was because of Rahul and Congress that they lost the Bihar elections.
बिहार में इतना बड़ा एक्सरसाइज एक महीने में हो। चुनाव से पहले विपक्ष के लोग, खास करके प्रतिपक्ष के लोकसभा के नेता बिहार में रोड से यात्रा की एसआईआर के खिलाफ। तो बिहार के जनता ने एसआईआर के मुद्दे पे वर्डिक्ट दे दिया, रिजल्ट सामने में है। तो अब भी तो आंख खुलना चाहिए। ये किस मुद्दा पर जाकर के बिहार के जनता के लिए कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं था। इस मुद्दा के लिए जो तो देख रहा था कि हमारा नाम तो है ही, क्यों घूम रहे हैं यहाँ।
Vote chori issue, we did not just say it in the air. Vote chori issue, Rahul Gandhi ji has specifically given detailed multiple press conferences in which instances which nobody can deny that those instances, we don't see anybody denying the allegations or the specific facts, and based on the data is Rahul Gandhi ji was speaking. So such things, vote chori is a reality, and vote chori is something synonym with this SIR issue. Both are connected.